What's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Solana, we are trading at $12.15. 24-hour volume, we're down 7%, and market cap, we're down 0.50%. Heading over to our daily chart here, I wanted to show you guys just a point of interest of this candlestick here that we saw is a hanging man candlestick, and essentially in an uptrend, this does show a lot of exhaustion of the uptrend and is a bearish candlestick. Now going into so far for this candlestick, we can see that we are continuously making a lot of lower lows and a lot of high lows as well, going into this channel, coming down again to an area of support, resistance, support. So our next course of action is coming up here and retesting this area of resistance to see if we're going to be either breaking out in an uptrend or getting rejected in a downtrend. And already we can see on December 19th and then December 20th, we've been holding steady at $11.69, all dependent on Bitcoin, to see if we're able to hold this factor here. And if not, this is going to be our next target at $10.79. As we can see with the RSI, we are considered as oversold, and we can anticipate that the price is going to come up. But once again, we do see weakness in our MACD indicator, and our MACD indicator is going really low and dissipating in these bars itself. Now it does look like we may have another wave in these darker green colors, and if we do have these darker green colors, it does give us some little hope here that Solana may be able to break out in this downtrend corridor. But let's take a look into the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, we are going to be hitting the resistance line of our 20 moving average, which is this yellow line here. If continuously on a 4-hour time frame we're able to close above here in consecutive candlesticks, it's most likely on a day chart we're able to break through this channel at the $12.37. However, if we do get rejected from our 20 MA, we can really see the 61% of $12.01 was heavily reliant on a few of our candlesticks coming down as an area of support. Or what we can factor in again is our MACD indicator going into the second wave here, that we're seeing these bars getting gradually bigger and most importantly darker in the green color. If we're able to get a second wave here for our MACD indicator, then be prepared for the price to close above the 20 MA in hopes to breaking out this trend line at the top here. Now, lastly, we're going to go into the 2-hour time frame. So the 2-hour time frame, again, we are going to be hitting a few areas of resistance line. Most importantly, this line here that we've seen a few of our candlesticks retrace to. So if I scroll in and show you guys a little bit more of a clear picture, here we can see on December 17th was treated as an area of resistance, going into an area of support, and then once again as an area of resistance. So 78% of our fib is very crucial to hit to retest this area of resistance to see if the price is going to close above it. In the 2 hours so far, we are retesting our 20 MA in hopes to finally break and close above it. Our RSI itself is going to be considered as overbought here at 78%, but we'll only see the price correct and fall until we actually see a crossover of our K and our D line here, where the K line comes below our D line. But until that does happen, we are going into our very first wave here for our MACD indicator, and in hopes to break through and close above our 20 MA. If the price itself is able to close again continuously in candlesticks, then be prepared for this resistance line of $12.37, and again in our daily time frame coming up to retest the $12.39 price point. So that is up. That's basically wraps up my Solana video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Definitely drop me a line down in the comments, like and subscribe, but I'll see you next time.